Everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So the other day I was not able to finish or start pulling my cuttings for my Peggy Martin roses and putting them in little pots. So that's what today's video is going to be about. And I wasn't actually going to video it, but as I was doing it, their root ball on these things is exceptionally substantial. These cuttings did really great, and so I thought it would be good to show you what they look like. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. As soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content. So here we go.
All right, here is a small one. We'll see how it did. So that's a small root ball. It's got some dark roots, some white roots. Might have too many roots, but yeah, that's a good little ball there, so pretty cool. So basically I'm just going to drop this in, and I'll usually twist it a little bit to help the roots go down without all the way to the bottom without breaking, and then I'll fold this in around on itself. I pre-did a hole. This is a native Peggy Ruth or a Peggy Martin that I pulled out of the woods, that my daughter actually found in the woods. So figure it's got to be a minimum of 10 years old, which would be really great for doing cuttings. So, hey Bub, go back in the house, please.
I asked Mom.
So what I'm doing is I'm packing about a 1/2 inch layer of sand in here to just help hold the stem. And that's it.